The idea is not to get a perfect drawing. Aiming for perfection will just sort of stunt the flow of your drawing. So get ready to make mistakes, because I'll be making plenty of them. Some mistakes are actually the best thing you can do in a drawing. Accidents are some of the best things I've ever drawn. And then they can flow on to other things that you intended to do without really thinking about it too much. Thinking about drawing will ruin your drawing. Stop thinking and start drawing. Drawing is all about shapes and how shapes meet each other and create other shapes, and the way those shapes create a line or a silhouette is what makes an interesting drawing. Because when you look at an interesting drawing, your eye has almost like a maze to follow the line of the original artist's intention. So you're kind of redrawing that person's drawing with your eye. With a really interesting drawing, your eye can do that forever. And you can look back at that drawing and see things that you didn't notice before. So, drawing hands. This is a hand. With any luck, you have two of these. So you can draw this one and draw with this one. I mean, there are a lot of pics of hands on Pinterest and stuff like that to draw from as reference, but you can't substitute a real hand. Maybe like a lover, someone that loves you and cares for you, that could replace a hand. But as far as reference goes, you've always got it with you. You can put it away occasionally and bring it out, draw it, put it away. You can change its shape. You can draw the fist, open, front, back, coming at you, knuckles. I mean, look at that. It's a constant changing prop, which is all we need. Also with subscribing, sharing and liking, that you also use your hand for, just drop those fingers and then press the button. That would really help me out, because I will spend nights worrying whether you like this video or not. I don't know you, but I do care what you think.